Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix facial unlock is not working in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you're using S21 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your face unlock isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to check that your front camera is clear or there's any dirt or dust in it, and you have to also make sure that on your face you might have any blockage like any mask or sometime any glasses or any sunshine more. So if you have, you can try to clear your face and then retry. But if you're still facing the same issue, go to your settings tab here, go to security and privacy. Here, just look for biometrics option here, click on lock screen, enter your screen password, and here just select face recognition. And from here, you can try to disable this require open eyes. And once that's done, just go back to your lock screen and retry to check if your face unlock is not working or not. So if it's still not working, you can go to settings again, go to lock screen again, enter your password again, go to face recognition, click on remove face data, click remove. Now before you re-register your face data, I recommend you one more thing. You can try to go back from here, go to software update section, and just make sure that your phone software is up to date. You might have an independent software update here. If you might decide to update your software, then go back and decide to scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will restart your phone. After restarting, or sometimes it might be there's any software glitch, any technical issue, it will be fixed in depth. So after restarting, I recommend you how to re-register, reuse your face data, re-enter your face data your phone. And once you have re-registered your face data, you might not get this issue again in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.